Toronto Crime Stoppers COVID-19 Public Service Announcement, March 20, 2020. Toronto Police and the Toronto Crime Stoppers program is asking that you be vigilant when it comes to those trying to sell or provide products or services associated to COVID-19. We also want you to be aware of internet-related scams that are being used associated to COVID-19. Internet scams are trying to convince some of our most vulnerable that they can apply online for test kits or receive personal visits to their home. Some scams post even offering vaccines, pills, etc. Do not provide personal and/or financial information to these web or mobile sites over the phone or by way of door-to-door solicitation. There are currently no vaccines or other medication to treat or cure COVID-19. We ask that you stick to social distancing and conscious hygiene to prevent further spread of the virus. This will ensure your health and well-being. If you do feel sick, utilize the self-assessment tool on Ontario.ca. Toronto Police is asking to report anyone misrepresenting themselves or services within the City of Toronto to police. You can do this by going online to tps.on.ca/CORE. That's tps.on.ca/core. If you have been defrauded, please call 416-808-2222. See it, say it, and stop it with Toronto Crime Stoppers.